Hi, I'm Tom Grindy for the Telco Depot channel. Thanks for tuning in again. After successfully completing the installation of the phone recorder, it's now time to see what this baby can do. This system is feature-rich, and I'm sure you don't want to sit all day looking at this pretty face. So I'll show you some of the primary features, and as always, download the user's manual, read through it to find out about the rest. The recorder offers 3 modes of operation. Recording mode. While recording from one of the 3 possible sources, a red R shows in your system tray. Playback mode. While playing a saved recording to one of the 3 possible outputs, a blue P shows in the system tray. And finally, the idle mode. While waiting for your command, a blue I shows in the system tray. All basic operations are achieved by pressing the different buttons on the recorder itself. More advanced features require interaction with the PC application. Let's review the buttons. Starting from the top, the left-right button has dual functionality. In the playback mode, it performs fast forward and rewind. In idle mode, its purpose is to navigate up and down through the files, selecting which file to play. The play stop button is straightforward. It starts and stops the playback of a recorded file. During playback, a red LED lights next to this button. The record phone button starts and stops a recording of a phone conversation. Again, a red LED lights next to the button. And finally, the record room button starts and stops a recording of everything in the room. Likewise, a red LED will light next to the button while recording. You may record phone conversation via the phone's handset or an optional headset. You may also record room conversations. And recording can start manually or automatically. To start recording manually, simply press the desired button located on the recorder or click on the equivalent soft button in the software. Auto recording is set by selecting the proper parameters on the settings page under the admin tab. Starting and stopping a recording is kids play. Pausing is more involved, but we made it very simple for you. While in recording mode, pause a recording by clicking on the pause icon located in the software. A flashing red light indicates a recording paused. To continue recording, simply click the icon again and recording resumes from that point. Using an optional headset will leave your hands free for added comfort. Any standard 2.5mm 2-ring plug headset will work with the recorder. We have these on our site. Connect the headset to the recorder using the front connector on the base. Then, click the red headset icon on the software. Status will change to green. To answer or make a call, simply lift the handset and start talking using the headset. Then hit record. After recording, there are several options for playback. The most obvious method is your PC speakers. Simply click the play icon in the software to begin playback. To play through your phone's handset, click the red handset icon, turning it to green, and again, click play and listen through the handset. This feature is great when you want to play a recording to the remote party while you're on a call. Since all the recordings are saved as standard WAV files, unless you choose to compress them, any player that supports this format can be used. This permits the emailing of your recording. Bookmarks and labels. While in recording or playback mode, it's very easy to add multiple bookmarks to the file. Bookmarks are very useful when certain keywords or parts of the conversation are important. For example, when a salesperson gives you a price or an interest rate. To create a bookmark, at any point during a recording or playback, simply click the bookmark icon. Use the software to add comments to each bookmark. And during playback, you can directly navigate to bookmarked locations. File compression. In order to reduce the file size, you may compress the recording. This is extremely useful for emailing recordings or storing recordings at another location. Files can be compressed into 2 different formats, GSM and MP3, and can be compressed either automatically or manually. Compress manually by simply right-clicking on the selected file in the list page and selecting the compress option. Any file can be decompressed using the same method. Please note, compressed files cannot be played through the handset. Such files need to be decompressed first. To auto-compress files, simply select the Compress Recording option in the User Setting page. The default compression method is GSM, or you can switch to MP3. File manipulation. When selecting any file in the list page, there are many options available that are associated with that file. Right-click on the file name to see all the available options. Please refer to the user's manual for better understanding of all these options. Query page. This page allows you to create and execute queries on the recording database. This is a very flexible and powerful search tool that will make it very easy to find the desired file. Again, refer to the user's manual to get a better understanding of this tool. And once again, thanks for joining me today, and until next time, just remember, at Telco Depot, you can do it, we can help.